Welcome to the Gilded Age, a time of booming industry, ruthless tycoons, desperate workers, and political deals made in smoke-filled rooms. You will step into the shoes of the most powerful and the most powerless people of the 19th century. Business moguls, labor leaders, politicians, muckrakers, all with one goal: to shape the future of America. Make alliances, strike deals, push your agenda, and beware. Every choice you make will change the course of history. Who will rise to the top? Who will be crushed beneath the weight of progress? Welcome to the game where history is in your hands. The Gilded Age Simulation. Will you change history?